With continuing labor shortages and the ever-evolving need to meet customer demands, it's essential to consolidate critical workflows and simplify communication. With Workforce Connect's fully connected platform of real-time communication tools, you can improve collaboration between workers, increase operational efficiency, and foster a more productive workforce. One of the key benefits of Zebra Workforce Connect is its locationing and drop detection safety features. These reduce workplace accidents and injuries, helping you prioritize safety for your employees with critical real-time alerts and alarm notifications. Workforce Connect can simplify communication by sending instant alerts about new priorities and broadcasting messages to your entire team at once. This solution provides crystal clear audio quality and the ability to connect with multiple individuals or groups simultaneously. By alerting drivers in real time, Workforce Connect can reroute drivers as needed and optimize delivery times for your business. The safety, communication, and delivery optimization benefit that Workforce Connect delivers to manufacturing, transportation, and logistics will enhance your operations and help achieve your business objectives. Responding to challenges in manufacturing, transportation, and logistics is necessary for your business to stay competitive. For more information on how to take your business to the next level using Zebra Workforce Connect, please visit www.zebra.com.